All right, guys, we got the next thing we're going to install is the tailgate table made by Frontrunner. I looked at a bunch of the different tables that are out there. One of the things I liked about this is that it's a no drill into the body setup, so it's designed specifically to go on the JL tailgate. This also fits on the JK, but you actually have to drill into the tailgate to get it done. For the JL, you just have to drill into the plastic piece, the plastic cover, and that just gives some pass-through for it. But Jeep went ahead and made some modifications on the JL. Jeep changed some of the mounting positions for their cargo system, and Frontrunner's table just happens to fit in those same spaces. The other thing I like about this is that it has the highest weight rating, so it holds 80 pounds when it's down, which exceeds everybody else. And the price is about $100 cheaper than all the other ones. So it's a pretty simple kit. It comes just with the table, and it's got a release lever. It pops down. And then for the JL, it has a mounting bracket that goes on the back plate. So come in the kit is that, the main table. You get a package that has all the hardware in it. What you need for this is a drill with a 15-30 seconds drill bit, a 3/16 drill bit. You need some tools to pry the back of the plastic piece off, a 4mm Allen key, a 6mm Allen key, and then a 10mm socket, and then of course a drill. So the first step is to remove the plastic piece on the back of the tailgate, so we'll head over there now. It just pops right off. Now there are a couple clips that stayed in, and we'll pop them right out. And if you look at the instructions, there are the areas we need to drill are this section right here, and the 15-30 seconds drill bit fits right in there. And then on this side, and then conveniently they've made two dimples, one right here and one right here. And that's where the bottom two go. So the recommendation from Frontrunner is to drill the 5mm hole, use the 3/16 drill bit first. Put it right into dimple. It's 1, 2, and then use the bigger drill bit on the others. And since the bosses that go through that front panel are already big enough to accept this, it looks like a good guide, so we're not even going to change it. Around. And that's all the drilling you got to do. And we're going to put this right back in to line all the clips back up. And then we'll check to make sure, if you look in these holes, you can see where the threaded areas in the tailgate are. So everything lines up perfectly. The hardware kit. The cool thing about the hardware kit is that someone actually signs it from Front Runner. There's a guy or gal, in this case I think his name is Herb, who actually makes sure that the packet is correct. So the next step for us, because we're using the JL kit, is we got to mount the bracket on the back side. So get rid of this box. And this mounts right on the back, and you can see where the holes line up. And this is where the 10mm socket comes in. Another small washer, and then 3 10mm bolts. And these use the 4mm Allen key. So you get a lock washer, a big washer for each one, and then on the other side you have another big washer, and then you have these standoffs, and this is what we drill the holes for. So these things are what you give the proper spacing. The short ones go on the top and the long ones go on the bottom. Fits up, clips in place, slide up with the thumb, it comes down, and the table slides out with its own stopper. Alright guys, that's the Front Runner JL tailgate table. It took us maybe 20 minutes to put it on. Basic hand tools, and it's super sturdy. And I think that it's going to work out great for our camp setup, whether or not we actually cook right off of this, or this is where we do our preparation for things. Our first time out camping, we'll kind of show you how we have our stuff set up, but for about $385, this is a great option to really make some nice use of your tailgate. So hope you guys enjoyed, hope you got something out of it. If you like what we're doing here, please subscribe and stick around for the next series of videos. The next video you should see is our installation of the high tuck Flowmaster American Thunder exhaust. So that should be coming up here in the next few days to a week or so. So thanks.